seasonal today. 82 in Sacramento, 82 in Stockton as well, 81 Modesto, 75 in Jackson, 68 in Truckee, 68 Tahoe, 72 in Placerville. The Valley, like I said, much more seasonal, right near normal for mid-May, although Tahoe still running 7 degrees warmer than normal. That's a lot better than the roughly plus 20 that they've been the last couple days, though. 61 at the moment in the capital city, 59 Stockton, 65 Modesto, 59 in Fairfield, 62 in Vacaville, 66 in Marysville, 40s up in the high country. And while we are a little breezy tonight, it certainly is not like the wind we saw last night. Plenty of onshore wind last night made things feel downright chilly by the time we got towards about midnight. 61 right now as we look towards Sutter Health Park. Clear skies, winds in Sacramento out of the southwest about 5 miles per hour. We'll fall through the 50s. I expect a clear evening. 53 Sacramento to start Thursday morning, 50 in Stockton, 54 Modesto, 49 in Angels Camp, 54 in Auburn, and 32 in Truckee, 33 in Tahoe. By Thursday afternoon, we're warming up again, upper 80s and low 90s in the Valley, 89 in Sacramento, 90 in Stockton, 91 Modesto, 86 in Vacaville, 84 in Fairfield, 81 Sonora, 83 in Jackson, 82 Auburn, 80 in Nevada City, about 91 up in Oroville, and low to mid 70s in the high country. That's because that system's moving out. High pressure is building in once again. That's going to influence the weather pattern through the rest of the work week. By the weekend, though, this system starts to drop into the Intermountain West, and that's going to create some northerly flow, and that means we're going to see some north winds across the valley by the time we get to the weekend. Because really for tomorrow and for Friday, I expect these delta breezes to continue. So even though we'll be near 90 both Thursday and Friday, our evenings should be pretty pleasant because of that onshore flow. But look what happens on Saturday. We start to see these northerly winds picking up, gusting 20 plus miles per hour. Then as we go into Sunday morning, now we see much stronger winds, especially on the western side of the Sacramento Valley, where gusts could be over 45 miles per hour. Through Sunday afternoon, these winds overspread the entire valley. We'll be looking at wind gusts anywhere between 30 and 40 miles per hour, but certainly on the west side of the Sacramento Valley, that seems to be where those strongest winds are going to be, 45 plus miles per hour possible. Overnight, Sunday into Monday, we'll see some really strong downsloping easterly winds across the Sierra, and we'll continue to see some gusty northerly winds in the valley. These winds will continue through Monday. So Sunday definitely seems to be the peak of the wind, but we're going to hold on to some of those dry north and east winds through the start of the work week. Our relative humidity value is definitely going to take a tumble through the weekend as well. We'll be in the 10 to 20% range for Sunday afternoon. This means some moderate fire danger risk, especially grass fires, because the valley is drying out pretty quickly. Of course, it dries out a lot faster than the fuels up in the Sierra. So we're drying out. It's going to get windy. We've been warm. We're thinking about fire season once again.